Baio at Vieira, helpu'r bel ymlaen at Steff Edwards. Dyma'r gorau ni wedi gweld o'r Derwyddon yn yr hanner cynta yma. Steff Edwards mewn at Charlie Edge. Edge yn ergydio! Ac oedd wedi croesi'r linell. Odi wir. Pwy sy'n hawlio'r gol? Fi'n credu taw Adjimang yw e. Ergyd isiel gan Charlie Edge. Fe gafodd Lee Idsi braich iddi, ond y bel yn symud tuag at y linell ac Emmanuel Adjimang yn helpu'r bel dros y linell i roi Derwyddon ar y blaen. Flint yn troi mewn i drwbl, mae gan Fawcett y bas ymlaen, mae'n cyrraedd Danny Williams, yna Lewis! O, modfeddi heibio'r postyn gan Kieran Lewis. Llain y 5 munud tan yr hanner, pas dda gan Lewis i'r ryddhau Scotcher. Scotcher yn croesi a'r peniad gan Danny Williams ychydig dros y bar. Scotcher! Yn crafu'r bar Elliot Scotcher o'r gic rydd. A chydig dros y bar oddi, ond mae Hwlffordd yn dod yn agosach. Mae'r cynorthwy allan ar y dde. Wilson yn torri tu fewn tro hwn, nôl a Curtis Rees, Hwlffordd yn adeiladu lawr y dde. Scotcher yn croesi'n gynnar, dyma Fawcett yn ergydio, a modfeddi heibio'r postyn. Wel, sawl cyfle mae angen ar Hwlffordd i ddod o'r sgôr yn gyfartal, ond eto ddim yn taro'r target, a dyna'r stori'r prynhawn i'r adar gleision. 10 munud yn weddill yma ar ddôl y bont. Os yna ffordd yn ôl i dîm Wayne Jones, mewn mae'n dod. Rees yn penio! A mae cyffyrddiad ola gan Jack Wilson, dwi'n meddwl. A Rees a Wilson sy'n cyfuno. A mae'r adar gleision yn gyfartal. Mae Niall Flint wedi derbyn cerdyn coch fan hyn. A mae'r Derwyddon yn mynd i fod lawr i 10 am yr 8 munud ola. Danny Williams yn methu rheoli i Basse, a mae gan Baio, a mae Baio mlaen at Wyn, ond mae Alaric Jones yn fwy penderfynol, a mae'r croesiad mewn, at Wilson yn troi, ac yn sgorio! Ac yn ennill y pwyntiau i Hwlffordd. A drychwch ar y dathlu yma ar ddôl y bont. 2 gol mewn 10 munud, reit ar y diwedd, yn ennill y pwyntiau cyn torri calonnau 10 y Derwyddon.
We never do things easy down here, but no, full credit to the players. You know, I think in terms of, reflecting the game, I think it's no more than we deserved. I think we had enough chances. I think it was chance after chance, second half especially. And everyone was saying it's a matter of time, the patience. But we stuck at the task, bare-boned. Just couldn't ask any more of the players, to be honest with you, Mike. I really couldn't.
Andy, a heartbreaking end to the afternoon where it looked as if you'd done enough to secure your first win of the season.
Yeah, gutted, as all the players in there are. I will say this to you, it's probably the worst we've played since I've had them. And we wasn't how we wanted to be. But again, the endeavour, the determination and the commitment was great, but we make silly errors in certain parts of the pitch. And that's a little bit of naivety. That's learning very quick in a level that you get hurt at certain points in the game. The sending off don't help, but it's another set piece that we've conceded from. So we have to. These are things that we have to get better with. But for 80 minutes, we're comfortable. Yes, they have pressure, but we're comfortable for 80 minutes. But we've got to learn as a group. If you're not going to get 3, you get 1. And I'm not going to say to you, we haven't done this and we haven't done that, we haven't done the other. We as a group, we feel like we should have got something out of the game.
2 goals, one was a nice little scabby one on the line that Dill's header was going in and I just made sure it went in. The second one was a great ball from Alaric and I took a first touch and just had to keep myself composed. I saw people sliding in and in the end the keeper made my mind up for me and it went in the middle of the goal.
and today's result lifts you out of the bottom two, and the only way is up, Wayne.
I'd like to think so, Mike. You know, we play Newtown home next week with a chance of possibly going, you know, pushing into the top 6 where we want to be. So, you know, we've earned the right for that. It's up to us to prepare. You know, we've got a big game Tuesday night, Cardiff Met. Don't really know what sort of team I can field because, you know, we're depleted with numbers. So we'll see with that and deal with that as it goes.
I've been asked to take the team for as long as I take the team. And as long as I'm being told to take the team every week, I'll do it to my best ability. And I am not saying, oh, I'm going to do it and I'm not going to do it. I'm not. It's not, you know, I'm doing it. And I feel we're improving. And I feel we're competitive with a squad that is more organised, that's more gritty, and disappointed that we're not getting something out of the game. But as long as that's happening, everyone's happy. But I want to convert them disappointments into positives.